In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Smartsheet. First, open Smartsheet in your browser and sign in as you normally do. Once you're in, open the specific sheet where you want to work. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're in grid view. This view is designed for column management, so you'll see your headers clearly across the top and can make structural changes without confusion. To create a new column, move to the far right of your existing columns and click the plus icon. Give your column a clear, descriptive name so teammates immediately know what it's for. Next, pick the right column type. Use text number for general entries like task names or budget figures. Choose date when you want to track due dates or milestones. Pick drop-down list if you need consistent options like status or priority, which helps standardize data. Checkbox is perfect for yes or no items, such as marking completion. And contact list lets you assign items to people, so responsibilities are obvious and reportable. By the way, if you need to access Smartsheet and don't have it open yet, there's a link to the website at the very top of the description so you can jump right in. If you want to change the order of your columns, click and hold the column header, then drag it left or right. Release it when you see the position you want. This is great for keeping the most important fields, like task, owner, and due date, right up front. To adjust a column you've already created, right-click its header and choose Edit Column Properties. Here you can rename it or switch the type. Just keep in mind that changing a type can affect existing data. So do a quick review before confirming. If a column is no longer needed, select Delete Column. That action removes the entire column and its contents, so make sure there's nothing important in it before you proceed. Now put those columns to work. Enter tasks, dates, and assigned owners to build a clean structure. Use conditional formatting to automatically highlight items such as overdue dates or high priority tasks, so key information stands out. Apply filters to show only what you need for reporting or tracking. For example, a specific status or a particular owner. When collaborating, click Share to invite teammates and set permissions to viewer, editor, or admin, depending on their responsibilities. Use cell or row comments to communicate right where the work is happening, keeping context and decisions in one place. Smartsheet saves automatically, so you won't lose your updates. Keep an eye on your columns to monitor progress and stay ahead of deadlines. Thanks for watching. Adding columns in Smartsheet gives you a flexible structure for better organization, clarity, and teamwork.